Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to solve question number 6 from exercise 1.3. Whenever you get this kind of algebraic expression in which you're given four brackets, right? First of all, you will check that on solving the constants of any two brackets, right? They give the same answer. Like if I add the constants in first two, it's -1 -2. Likewise, if I solve these constants, -8 plus 5, this one gives -3 and this one also gives -3. So here the arrangement is already okay. If it's not, then you will rearrange the brackets and you will write only those two brackets together, which whose constants on solving give the same answer. Like in this case we got -3 and -3, so this arrangement is already correct. Now you're gonna multiply these two brackets and these two brackets. Like in the first case, x will be multiplied by x minus 2, right? Or I am going to directly multiply it. X into x will be x square. X into -2 will be minus 2x. -1 into x will be minus x. -1 into -2 will be plus 2, right? Likewise, if we multiply these two, we will get x into x, x square. X into plus 5 will be plus 5x. -8 into x will be minus 8x. -8 plus 5 will be minus 40. Plus 360 is equals to 0. X square minus 2x minus x will be minus 3x plus 2. X square plus 5x minus 8x will be minus 3x minus 40 plus 360 is equals to 0. Now whenever you get this kind of expression in which first two numbers are same, right, we're gonna let them equals to y. So I'm gonna let x square minus 3x equals to y. Now we'll substitute it in this expression and I will write y in place of these two. So this equation or this algebraic equation will become y plus 2 y minus 40 plus 360 is equals to 0, right? Now it's very simple. Again, these two are being multiplied. We will multiply these two brackets. Y into y will be y square minus 40y plus 2y plus 2 into minus 40 will be minus 80 plus 360 equals to 0, right? Now on further simplifying it, we will get minus 38y plus 360 minus 80, it will be plus 280 equals to 0. Now we have got a quadratic equation. We can factorize it, and the factors I hope you remember we did in class. How do we do midterm breaking? So here minus 38y can be written as minus 10y minus 28y, and the rest equation will remain as it is. Now you can see that we can take y common from first two terms. So on taking y common here, we will be left here with y minus 10. From here we can take 28 common, and if I take minus 28 common, here y is left and here minus 10. Because when we take negative common, the positive terms become negative. Now you can see y minus 10 is common from here. So I'm going to take it common, and here we are left with y and here we're left with minus 28. Now this shows that y minus 10 is equals to 0 and y minus 28 is equals to 0. From here we will get y is equals to 10, and from here we will get y is equals to 28. Now if you remember, in second step we just let that x square minus 3x is equals to y, right? We just put it equals to y to simplify this equation. Now when we got the value, we can again substitute the actual number here, which is x square minus 3x. So I'm gonna put the value of y in these two equations. So we will get x square minus 3x is equals to 10 and x square minus 3x is equals to 28. From here we will get two quadratic equations again. 10 will turn minus 10 equals to 0, and here we'll get x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 0. We are again gonna factorize these two equations. So this can be minus 3x can be written as x square minus 5x minus 5x plus 2x, right? Minus 10 equals to 0, right? From these two we can take x common and we'll be left with x minus 5. From here we'll take plus 2 common and we'll be left with x minus 5 is equals to 0. From here x minus 5 can be taken common and we'll be left with x plus 2 equals to 0. It means that x minus 5 is equals to 0 as well as x plus 2 is also equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0. X will be equals to plus 5 and from here x will be equals to minus 2. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation as well. And it can be written as, we can break its midterm as x square minus 7x plus 4x, because if I subtract or solve it we will get minus 3x again, and if I multiply these two we will get minus 28x square again. Now we can take x common from these two. If I take x common, we'll be left with x minus 7. And from here we can take plus 4 common. If we take 4 common, we'll be left with x minus 7. This one is equals to 0. Now we can take x minus 7 common, right? And we'll be left with x plus 4 equals to 0. This shows that x minus 7 is equals to 0 as well as x plus 4 is equals to 0. So x minus 7 equals to 0 and x plus 4 equals to 0. From here x is equals to 7 and from here x is equals to minus 4. So we got 4 values for x. So solution set is 5 minus 2, 7 minus 4. So that's all we have for today. Solve the rest of question of the exercise and Allah Hafiz.